After purchasing a Lenovo device or service, we recommend that you register it on the Lenovo website. This will save you time when you need support and will give you a better service experience with Lenovo. The registration takes just a few minutes. Open your browser and type support.lenovo.com. At the bottom of the page, under Resources, click Registration. Log in using your Lenovo ID. If you do not have a Lenovo ID yet, check the video on how to create a Lenovo ID. Click Register Devices, enter the serial number of your device and click Submit. If you prefer, click Detect My Device and have our app find the serial number for you. In that case, you will need to have the Lenovo Service Bridge app installed. Follow the instructions on screen. On the Review Device Details page, check the device and warranty information. Click View Details for details on your warranty. Then, fill in the form with your contact details and machine installation location. Having detailed information will make it easier to help you when you have a request. Check the Send Registration Confirmation box to receive an email with registration details. Now, click Complete Registration. Your registration is complete. Click View My Product to see details and warranty information of all your registered products. If you are a corporation, you can register more than one device. Get the template sheet and follow the instructions provided. For more help, visit support.lenovo.com.